Hey guys, welcome back. What's up? How are you all doing? Well, have a pleasant morning to all of you. And I, Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is now going to teach you the grammar part, and the topic which we are learning is intransitive and transitive verb. So, do you remember what we have learned yesterday? What are called intransitive verb? The intransitive verb are those which do not have direct object, right? We have seen some examples. Jane is smiling, Mark is sleeping, and all that. We have even differentiated between transitive verb and intransitive verb with the help of direct object. And even we have learned some common verb which could be transitive as well as intransitive, like close, eat, open, play. These are transitive as well as intransitive both. So now today we are going to learn about transitive. Now let us start. Transitive verb. A transitive verb has a direct object. As we can see here in examples, what are the examples given? Jane is drinking. Jane is drinking a cup of coffee. In this example, we can see Jane is the subject, drinking is the verb, and what is she drinking? Cup of tea. Do you remember that I have taught you yesterday that if you want to find the simple trick to find the answer is you need to ask question what or whom. So come on, let's start. That we are going to ask Jane is drinking what? Jane is drinking a cup of coffee. So we are getting the answer. So this is direct object. I have made a sandwich. Now what I have made? I have made a sandwich. We are getting the answer. So this is direct object. Mark is playing football. Now what we are playing? We are playing football. So we are getting answer. So these are the direct objects. Now there is apart from direct object, there is indirect object also. Now what are called indirect objects? So let us read. An indirect object indicates the person or thing that receives the direct object. So let us go through the examples once again. Now Jane is giving me an apple. Here Jane is the subject and giving me what? An apple. We are getting the answer. And who is receiving? Me is receiving. So who is the indirect object? Me is here the indirect object. Do you understand? I hope you have understood it. Now some verbs can be transitive or intransitive with the same meaning. As we have seen here, we have discussed already: eat, open, play, run, sit, stand, and walk. Now we'll compare these verbs in intransitive and transitive both. So we can see here in example the door opened. So here the door opened. The opened is intransitive, and in the next sentence we can see that I opened the door, right? So here open is transitive as well as intransitive both. Jane is reading. Reading here is intransitive. Jane is reading a book. Here reading is transitive. So these verbs are transitive as well as intransitive. We can see another example. The children are playing. Here playing is again intransitive, and last night we played cards. So play is transitive as well as intransitive both. Now some verb can be transitive or intransitive with different meanings, right? So some verbs can be transitive or intransitive with different meanings. in the above we have seen the same meaning, right? The door opened, I opened the door, both were having the same meaning. Jane is reading, Jane is reading the book, same meaning. The children are playing, last night we played, the same meaning. However, if we'll see these examples here, in this example, Mark is sitting on chair. Mark is sitting on chair. Here sit is the verb, right? Here the sit is for verb, right? Mark is sitting on the chair, and here Mark is sitting an examination. That means he is giving examination. Okay, here sitting means giving examination, and here sit is like as we do sit on the chair, table, and any place. So here Mark's physical position is given, and here Mark taking an exam is like giving an exam. So these are the verbs with different meaning. So dear student, I hope you have completed, you have learnt it easily, transitive and intransitive verb. This was it for today. Now we will move to another chapter next week, and we have almostly finished this chapter. If you are having any question related to this, you can ask me in text or after the class. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care. Bye.